IoT or Internet of Things is transforming the world into the next technical revolution called Industry 4.0. What is this IoT and how can we develop solutions with IoT? Hi, I'm Nigaramithodana from Team MagicBit. Now we all are familiar with the Internet. Today, not only computers are connected to the Internet, everything around us, ranging from small sensors to large aeroplanes, are connected to the Internet, forming a network of devices. And these devices are communicating with each other even without human interaction. This large network is known as Internet of Things or IoT. So how can we develop solutions with IoT? To learn IoT, you need knowledge of electronics, communication, software, cloud computing, and many more technologies. When developing solutions, it could be complex, difficult, and requires some domain knowledge as well. When developing solutions, it requires domain knowledge and has inherent difficulties, complexities. Since you need to develop different kinds of solutions, it requires different components which could be costly as well. So how can we come up with these difficulties and develop solutions which are robust and solving the problems we all have? This is where MagicBit comes in. MagicBit is an easy to learn IoT platform for everyone. MagicBit is an integrated innovation platform with hardware, software, and mobile app. We promote MagicBit as a feature-rich, easy to use, and cost-effective platform. Our hardware platform has many inbuilt sensors, actuators, and the sensors can be readily plugged in to the platform without the hassle of jumper wires and breadboards. The cloud-based software made for MagicBit is called MagicBlocks. Now in MagicBlocks, you can simply develop a solution in minutes by just dragging and dropping different code blocks because it's a visual code builder. Not only MagicBlocks, our MagicBit platform supports all the popular software platforms like Arduino, Python, Scratch, and many more. So all you have to do is check this content all over the internet, find what you really want to develop, and build those solutions using MagicBit. For example, let's say you have a plant and you want to monitor the vital parameters for the growth of this plant, like the soil moisture, humidity, temperature, light condition. You can simply implement sensors connected to our MagicBit platform and develop a web-based dashboard using our MagicBlock software. This whole process can be done with the minimum amount of time using the MagicBit platform. That's the beauty of MagicBit, which solves the problem of innovation for everyone. Now you might think it's an easy platform which is for beginners. I have to disagree because even complex applications can be developed by expert developers using MagicBit platform, since our MagicBit hardware and MagicBlock software has some powerful features where you can develop even some complex applications of IoT. Not only that, it readily supports all the popular cloud platforms like Azure, Google Cloud Platform, and ThingsBoard. You can check the available cloud platforms here on the screen as well. MagicBit was recognized with over 8 national level awards for the uniqueness of this product in education technology and community service sector in Sri Lanka. Not only that, we have showcased MagicBit in few international conferences as well. Our next step of MagicBit is taking MagicBit to the world. That's why we are launching our Kickstarter campaign by the end of May 2021. So we invite all of you to support our Kickstarter campaign by visiting our website and subscribing for our rewards early. Thank you. You can check the details about MagicBit in our website, YouTube channel and on our Facebook page. We are launching our MagicBit product to the world very soon with our Kickstarter crowdfunding campaign. You all can subscribe and support us with our Kickstarter campaign by subscribing to our mail list early through our website. Thank you, and we invite all of you to explore your creativity with MagicBit.